guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 1, Section 3.7 notes for Ms. Carranza and Mr. Grice's Algebra 1 class. Today we are going to be talking about solving equations with two or more different variables. Okay, the directions say solve the following equations. It might be helpful to highlight the variable that you're solving for. So, solve for r. There's my r. I'm going to draw a line down the middle. Now, if I want to solve for r, that means I want to get the r all by itself, and I got to move the s. And from here, it's all you're doing is sad map. It's the same thing as when we're solving for just one variable. And most of the time, this is a lot easier because all you're doing are moving letters and stuff around, and you really don't have to do a lot of calculator work. Okay, M and S are different, so we can't combine them. And that's it. Let's look for solve for B. I'm going to draw the line down the middle. Okay. Plus AX is on the same side. All you got to do is subtract the AX. B equals C minus AX. Since these are numbers and everything's different, we can't combine them. Solve for Y. Draw the line down the middle. Between the 3 and the Y is multiplication. To get rid of multiplication, we need to do division. Y equals X over 3. And the other way that you will see this is 1/3 X. This is how we're going to be writing it, okay? The reason you can do that is because how many X's do you have? We have 1X. So when we're going to be writing linear equations out and graphing them, this is going to be more helpful, okay? Okay, solve for X. Okay, sad map. We have to get rid of addition or subtraction first. So I'm going to subtract the b to both sides. And we get ax equals c minus b. Now, the x is not by itself yet. So I have to divide by a. And I don't divide one thing by a, I divide everything by a. So we're left with x equals c over a minus b over a. And we can't do anything else, so that's how it stays. All right, number 5. Draw the line down the middle. I need to solve for x. Now remember, when everything's next to each other, that's multiplication. And to get rid of multiplication, I need to divide. And so I'm going to divide by the 2 and the y squared because that gets the x by itself. What you do to one side, you do to the other, and you're left with a over 2y squared equals x. I think this stuff's pretty easy just because you're not really using calculators to do anything. Okay, we gotta solve for j. First thing I gotta do is to get rid of that -5, and let's write it so you can see it. So 2j equals k minus 5. To get rid of the 2, I gotta divide, and I gotta divide everything by 2. So our final answer is j equals k over 2 minus 5 over 2. Okay? Same thing as we're following order of operations. All right, solve for m. Draw my line. We have m on both sides. Okay? So let's get our m's on one side Those m's cancel. 2n equals 10 plus 4 is 14m. Divide by 14. And we get 2 over 14 that can reduce to 1 over 7. So 1 over 7n equals m. Oh, and I forgot to highlight that that m was right there, so we still had stuff to do. All right, why don't you guys try 8 real quick, see how you do. Okay, and there you go. So, solving for y, the first thing I had to get rid of was that 8x, the negative 8x, so I added 8x to both sides. 15 plus 8 gives us 23. The y still had the 3 connected to it, so to get rid of that, we had to divide both sides by 3, and you get y equals 23 over 3x. And that's it. All right. Last 2 problems, guys. Draw the line down the middle. There's my variable that we're solving for. We have to distribute first. X equals 1/2 y, and half of 4 is 2. My y's right there. Subtract 2 to both sides. X and 2 are not the same, so we have to keep them separate. And now, to get rid of a fraction, you need to multiply by the reciprocal, so they cancel. And we got to do that over here too. Now, here's the thing we got to watch out. We have to multiply everything by the 2, not just the x. So you get 2x minus 4 equals y. And we're happy because the y's all by itself. All right, 10. Go ahead and pause the video and try it out. And there we go. Okay. First, I had to get rid of this positive 2x, so I subtracted 2x to both sides. 15 and negative 2 are unlike terms, so we cannot combine them. Negative 2x plus 15. The y still had the negative 3 attached to it, so we divided by negative 3, and we divided everything. And we're left with y equals 2 over 3x minus 5. All right. So this was the homework for tonight. If you notice, it says do your homework on a separate sheet of paper. If you have any questions, please come see Miss Carranza or myself. We would love to help you out. Thanks for watching, guys.